Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see mutual likes on Tinder. So just open the Tinder application. So here you will see the discover friends of friends. You will see. So just tap on get started to see the mutual friends on Tinder. So after this, you may skip this step. I will show you in the next procedure about this import contacts. So right now you will just tap to this close button. So yes, continue. So you may go in the profile icon which is right bottom, just tap on the top right corner of gear icon and you may scroll down and find the connections. You will see this connection settings and just turn it on enable friends. So just importing your contacts and all done. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.